Hello everyone! So today we're going to be doing an box opening. These are the limited set that came out today and they're a lot smaller than I expected, so this might be a very fast. I know there's going to be multiples of the same, but let's get into it and see what we get into this, okay? I'll put these two on the side. Go. Okay. Oh, there you go. So far, what are these for? So we got one of these first up. We're going to open these at the end. And then we have 6 packs per box. So we're going to open that up. See what we can do. So far we got Digimon, Red Scramble, Jade, Digimon, which is one that I'm actually excited to get because that's going to be going into my Mother D Reaper set. Amber Memory Boost, cool. Jade, Garnet, Green, Digimon Liberator, and Extramon. I got a lot of Extramons because I do local tournaments. But so far, we got some good. This is a very just huge set. This is super just crazy. We got Shivamon, Black Scramble, another Digimon. Thought there was only supposed to be one per box. Red Scramble, Blue Scramble, Agumon Bond of Bravery. I am excited for this one because I'm going to put it into my Black War Greymon deck or my Omnimon deck. We'll see. Minnow, Dino, and Sister Mon Blanc for our first alt art. I think that's pretty cool. I enjoyed this. So I got a few cards already that I've been looking at getting. So I'm going to put her right there. Third pack, ooh, and already we got Sakuyamon, Maiden Mode, Ace. Good one for my Sakuyamon deck. Gobblebond, Yellow, Sepia, Grape, Myotismon, Gatsumon, and Waymon. Cool. Wow, I'm surprised I got 2 Digimons into this set already. Oh my goodness, these packs are difficult to open. Okay. Purple, Garnet, Sepia, Grape, Blue, Myotis, Gatsumon, Waynamon, and Minamon. I am hoping to get either Rune Mode into this. Ooh, another 2 already. These are only supposed to come with 1 from what I've read. And what I've seen other people draw. These are only supposed to come 1 per box. So, okay. Another double. Wow. Okay. Another double. And we got Death Axmon for the second alt art for this pack. Awesome. Like I said, I'm looking for this and Rune Mode. So that's awesome. These are just wow. Okay. I'm just surprised about the cards I'm getting. Unless it was 2 per box of the aces. If it was 2, then I misunderstood. Another one. So it might have been 2 for the aces and a full set for the scrambles, I think. Oop. We still got this one. Let's see which one of the Three Musketeers Ooh! Bielstar Ace. Very pretty card. I like the alt art. So cool. I've been seeing that from other people's polls, Death X is a really hard one to get, as well as this specific, but that's from what I've seen online. That might be different for everyone, because, you know, these are booster packs, so you never know what you get. That to the side. Ooh. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Yeah. Again, I would like Rune Mode because the art is fantastic, and I got a couple builds with Suclimon that I want to make. Another one. Guess I should have just got 2 boxes. Ooh. Grand Kuwagamon Ace. Nice. Cool. Boom. Nice. So far, probably going to get a full set of all the cool cards. We'll see how lucky I get with the alt arts that are in this. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And Imperial Digimon Dragon Mode. Cool. I think I already have this specific alt art from the regionals that I did, but that is a-okay. We've still got one more box. Got okay, that was that box. Now again, if you guys want me to go through some of my deck lists that I might have in the future, we'll get that taken care of. But also, I am planning tomorrow to be in the gosh, this one's not one I can open. Get into the Ultimate Cup tomorrow, so I'll be online playing that. Goodness, this thing does not want to open. There we go. That's finally. Ooh. And then after this, we'll be good. Yeah, this is going to be a shorter video today, but it's going to be a... Ooh, I forgot to open this. I'll just open both of them at the end. So. Okay. Cool. Ooh, Sister Monsieur for one of the 2 alt arts. Okay, will I get one of each chase card that I'm looking for? Because Sistermons were on my list, but I don't have the rest of the cards to make a decent deck from them. But again, if you guys want to see my deck builds for later. Oop. 2 more packs. I know there's 2 other alt arts that or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 other alt arts that I could possibly get. Ooh. Quantum One. There we go. No. No, Shine Greymon. That is A-okay. Did get a lot of other cards that I do plan to use. I misunderstood a lot of this stuff, but yeah, looks good. But yeah, ooh, we still got 2 packs. We got 1 of each of these. Will we get the full set? Ooh, we got him, and for the final. Ooh, look at that. The full mural. Right there. That's awesome. Cool. Well, I think I got a pretty good pull today. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys pulled. And I will see you guys again in the next set release. Bye.